Welcome to our channel. American Express provides multiple airport lounge access programs, and their mobile app makes finding available lounges during your travels simple and convenient. Step 1. Download the American Express mobile app from the App Store or Google Play if you haven't already. Step 2. Log into the app using your American Express online account credentials. Step 3. Check your card benefits to see which lounge programs you have access to. Platinum and Centurion cards typically include Priority Pass, Centurion lounges, and Delta Sky Club access. Step 4. Tap on the Travel or Benefits section in the main menu. Step 5. Select Airport Lounges or Lounge Access from the Travel Benefits options. Step 6. Enter your departure airport code or use the app's location services to automatically detect your current airport. Step 7. Browse the list of available lounges at your airport. The app will indicate which lounges you can access based on your card type. Step 8. Tap on a specific lounge to view details including location within the terminal, operating hours, amenities, and access requirements. Step 9. Some lounges require digital passes or QR codes. These can be generated directly in the app for qualifying cardholders. Step 10. Note any guest policies and rules. Some cards allow guests, while others charge per guest or restrict guest access during peak hours. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.